The Department of Agriculture, Forestries and Fisheries has reached an interim agreement with line fishermen that will allow them to continue fishing until the appeals process for those not granted licenses is complete. Many of those who failed to get the rights are established fishermen who lost their livelihoods.
Today, the Fisheries Management Branch of the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries hosted a meeting with one of its key stakeholders, the Traditional Linefish Associations of South Africa, which represent commercial line fishers in the country. The meeting followed the announcement made by DEF on the 30th of December 2013 on the outcomes of the current allocation process known as the Fishing Rights Allocation Process 2013, or commonly known as FRAP 2013. Both DEF and the associations have agreed that it was important that over and above the interim solution, consultations must continue throughout the appeals process and in order to ensure the best outcome. The associations accepted that the department will send individual letters to applicants containing the reasons for the decisions and the score sheets pertaining to the applications by the end of this week.
We've been able to get to some form of impasse. We have people out there that are desperate, we have people out there that are devastated. You've alluded to the fact that there are protests outside there. I've always believed that calm heads would solve problems. I don't believe in protest action. The fact that Desmond Stevens and I have been able to sit down with our management teams and work out a solution that is going to put food back on the tables. It's a short-term solution. We've made it known. Our objective to come here was just come here and get a short-term solution. We can then react and talk further on where we go to from here. What this does do, it actually works in DAF's favour in that we are pressurising them for our score sheets. With the people being able to fish, it actually gives them more time to get the documentation out and for us to get the appeals in without any pressure on us as fishermen, homeowners and providers.
The department and associations have agreed that unsuccessful previous fishing right holders would be permitted to apply for exemptions in order to fish, pending the outcome of an appeals process. Agriculture, Forestries and Fisheries Minister Tina Peterson would oversee this appeals process.
DAF and the associations agreed that the unsuccessful previous rights holders would be permitted to apply for exemptions in order to fish pending the outcome of an appeal process against the refusal to grant them rights. DAF would assess the exemption applications on an expedited basis in order to ensure that deserving applicants would be able to go to sea as soon as possible. In order to qualify for this exemption, the unsuccessful applicant had to show that they fished the total of number of days set out below over the period of 2007 to 2012.
We believe that the decision taken today is the right one. It's an act of mercy to those people that are now jobless. But it is not the end, it's only the beginning. We will be investigating. I've asked the public protector to investigate the process. She will be doing that. I've put in a PIA application to get all the information, to see on what basis these irrational decisions were taken. What happened today is buying us some time, at least 30 days. We don't need to go to court straight away. We have a time to get all the information, to put together a coherent application to the High Court to set aside these decisions of Mr. Desmond Stevens and Mr. Fredericks.